Later this year, I'll be 60 years old. And until a few years ago, I didn't even think about retirement. I knew it was coming, but something just kind of put it off. It ain't here yet. Well, I started thinking about it. I got with my wife, and we kind of sat down and decided, how do we want to enjoy our retirement? We worked all these years, and retirement's supposed to be a time to enjoy life, to have it easier, to just sit back and kind of relax. Well, we thought about what we wanted. Our dream wish would be, money in the bank to spend time with our grandkids and take them on trips, traveling, just me and her, you know, enjoying life. We think we deserve it after all the years of hard work. Well, I started looking to the financial part of it. And we have a little bit in our 401ks, but I realize it ain't going to be a lot. Our bulk of our money is going to have to come from Social Security, mine and hers. Well, I went up to the Social Security Administration website and punched in the numbers, and well, let's just say it wasn't what I thought it was going to be. It's just what it is. So we realized the beach house and the traveling and all that may not be feasible. We may not have the money for it. So I started looking into how can I increase my income, so we can enjoy these things. And I looked, besides getting a part time job after the job I got now, there was just not many options out there at this latent stage. So I started going online and thinking, there's got to be something out there. I'm not real big into the newest tech, the social media. I have a Facebook account and I have a Twitter account and I have an Instagram account. I don't participate much in them. I may mark where I'm at when we're on vacation or something like that, but I don't really post to them. It's mainly just a way to keep up with families and friends and see what they're doing. So that was a disadvantage on my part. But I knew in order to get some extra money, it needs to be something to deal with online, something I don't have to physically go out and dig ditches for. So I started researching and I came across affiliate marketing. I'd never heard of it before, but I saw a lot of sites, and it kind of opened up a whole new world to me. I realized there's a lot of opportunity out there, but like I said, I'm not tech savvy. So I did some research. I spent almost a year looking into this, looking at different options, trying to, get the ones that are realistic away from the ones that are scams, which is hard to do online. It's hard to trust people when you don't sit down with them face to face. But I did some reviews and I did some research and I come across some good programs that I thought would fit me. So I started this channel to help other people in my situation who are retired, ready to retire, or thinking about retiring, and just need that little extra money to kind of get them over the top to enjoy life a little bit. So in this channel, I'm going to start reviewing some options. I'm going to tell you the option I took, and I'm going to tell you some other options that are out there. Now, I'm going to stay away from the ones I know are obviously scams. I want to review legitimate opportunities. And there's going to be some cons and there's going to be some pros. It's going to be a mix. But I'm going to let you make up your mind which one you want to further research. And I advise everybody to do their own research. I'm just going to give you suggestions and tell you my opinion, but it's up to you to make your decision to find that right fit. I found what I believe is the right fit, and I will share that with you in another video. But for right now, I just want to let you know what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. And if you feel like you could use this information, please subscribe and like this channel and turn on the notifications so you'll know when I'm posting another video. Until next time I post, I do have a free ebook for you down in the comments. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, this is a good informational, good thing to kind of get your feet wet. So click that and Hope you enjoy it. Hope you enjoy this video, and hope to see you soon.